I am Gio, Shopware expert at Two Heads Logic. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize a homepage in Shopware. As you could see, this is a default installation of Shopware and this is default homepage after the installation. So I'm going to customize this homepage. For that, first you need to log into the admin side. In the admin side, you have to go to the content menu. Inside that, select the shopping experience. You could see here all the layouts available in the Shopware. So we need to create a new layout by clicking this button. So it will ask for 4 different types of pages you could able to create. So inside that, I'm selecting the landing page. And again, there are 2 different types with sidebar or with full width. So I'm going with full width type. So here you need to label your layout. So I'm going to label it as home page 3 and creating the layout. So our layout has been created. Next, we need to assign blocks to this layout. There are various blocks available in Shopware. By clicking this plus symbol, you could see various blocks available in Shopware, and it has been arranged in various categories. And depend upon your requirement, you could select any of these blocks and drag and drop into our layout. For the demo purpose, I will be selecting few of the blocks from various categories. So I will start with the image categories. So here you could see all the blocks which related to the images come inside this category. You could see image slider, image grid, 3-column box, background, etc. So for the demo purpose, I'm selecting the first one, image boxed. So I'm selecting this, drag and drop and placing inside the layout. Now the block has been assigned to our layout. The next part is we need to configure this block. For that, you need to click this settings icon. You could see various configuration available, and depend upon your requirement, you could change all of this. So for the demo purpose, I'm selecting the first one, like changing the image of this particular block. So clicking this upload file and going to upload a new image to this block. I'm selecting the new image, and now new image has been uploaded, and I'm done with the changes. So you could able to see a new image with a image block. Next, we need to assign a text block to this layout. For that, you need to click the plus symbol again and go to the text category. So inside text category, you could able to see all the blocks related to the text content. For the demo purpose, I'm selecting the first one. I'm dragging and drop and placing at the bottom of previous block. Now this text block has been assigned to our layout. Again, you could able to configure this block by clicking the settings icon. You could change the content over the text block. So for the demo purpose, I'm changing the content to heading 1. So the block has been configured and change the content. You could also change the alignment also. You can select the vertical alignment, top, bottom, or center. So depend upon the requirement, you can change all this configuration, and after that you can done with your changes. Now the block has been configured in our layout. Next, we will select another block from another category. So we will go with text and image category. So all the blocks related to the text content as well as images come inside this category. So for the demo purpose, I'm selecting this 3-column boxed image and text block. So I'm selecting this and drag and drop and placing at the bottom of previous block. Now this block has been assigned to our layout. So as you could see, this block has been divided into 3 different parts, or you can say that it can be divided into 3 different elements. So each element can be configured separately. So first and the third one is the image element, and the middle one is the text element. So we will be configuring the first element by clicking the settings icon. Again, we could able to change the image over here. So I'm selecting an image to this element. So I'm done with the first element. Again, the next element is the text element. Again, by clicking the settings icon, you could able to configure it. I'm changing the text content for the demo purpose. Heading, I'm making it as heading 2. Again, I'm done with the changes. Then the last element, again, it's a image element. I'm uploading a new image to this element. Done with. So this block has been configured successfully. We will select a block from commerce category. For that, you need to select the commerce category, and all the blocks related to the products come inside this category. So for the demo purpose, I'm selecting this 3-column product boxes block to our layout. So I'm selecting it, drag and drop and placing at the bottom. So you could see that this block has been added as 3 different elements, and 3 different elements can be configured separately. So each element you could able to select the product which need to be displayed at the home page. So I'm selecting the first element with the product variant 1, and I'm also configuring the second element with another variant, and also selecting the third element with different variant. Yeah, I'm done with it. So our layout has been saved with various block. Now you could able to save this layout. After saving this layout, we need to assign this layout to our home category. For that, you need to select the home category menu, select the home category, and change the layout by clicking the layout tab. You could select the home page 3 layout which we have created and save it. Now take the front end and refresh it. Our new home page has been created. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a custom page in Shopware and how to assign this custom page to footer navigation. For that, go to admin side, go to catalog category section. Here you could see all the categories available in Shopware. So here we need to create a new category. So adjust to home page, we can create a new category name footer navigation. So by clicking this 3 dot symbol, you could see 3 ways I could able to create the category. I'm selecting the second option. So I'm creating a category after the home category. So I'm creating a new category with name footer navigation. Okay, then we have to enable this category. Then again, inside the footer navigation, I'm creating a new category as a subcategory and naming it as home services. So again, we need to activate this home service too. Then again, we need to create 2 more subcategory under home services and naming it as service 1 and service 2. Both has to be activated. So this service 1 and service 2 we can say as a custom page in Shopware. So it depend upon your requirement, you can able to customize it. So by creating the layout and assigning this layout to these custom pages, you can customize it depend upon your requirement. So here I'm customizing with the previous layout which have been created. So I'm selecting the layout which has been created previously for the demo purpose. Home page 3 layout to service 1 page, and service 2 page also I mean assigned with the same layout which have been created before home page 3. So depend upon your requirement, you can create a new layout and assign to these custom pages. So these 2 custom page has been created. Now this footer navigation has to be assigned to our sales channel. For that, go to the sales channel, select the entry point footer navigation as a category which have been created, that is footer navigation, and save it and refresh the home page. You could go to the footer, you could see two new custom pages has been created and has been assigned to the footer navigation. And if you click it in the separate tab, you could see same layout which have been created previously. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this guide help you to customize your Shopware homepage. If you have any questions or need more help, drop in the comments below. I will be happy to assist you. See you in the next video. Bye.